Hello my dear children, today we will do page number 36 and 37, activity time. So project, this is your project. What is given in the project? Prepare a project on at least 5 different sports. Your project should include the following points. You have to select any 5 different sports, and then your project should include picture of every game, its origin, implements of game, rules of game. Dear children, I have written these sports. You also have to note down the same way that I have written. But one thing you have to do, in addition to that, you have to paste the pictures of the sports also. Clear? So first is football, and its origin is it developed in England in the 12th century. Implements. So what are the implements in football? Cleat shoes, socks, shin protector and headgear. Now rules. A match consists of two 45 minutes halves. A 15-minute rest period is in between two halves. Each team can have a minimum of 11 players including a goalkeeper. Second is Kabaddi. It originated in Tamil Nadu over 4,000 years ago. Implements: proper clothing, shoes, arms and knee support, towels and water bottles. Rules: each team shall consist of no more than 12 players, with only 7 taking to the field at any one time. There are 6 officials looking after each Kabaddi match. Third, badminton. Origin: it was invented in India in 1870. Implements: badminton racket, shuttlecock, shoes, badminton attire. Rules: a match consists of the best of 3 games of 21 points. Every time there is a serve, there is a point scored. At 20 all, the side which gains a 2-point lead first wins that game. Number 4, Kho-Kho. Origin: it was invented in Maharashtra, India. Implements: proper clothing, shoes, knee support, towels. Rules: a match consists of 2 innings of running and chasing of 9 minutes. All 9 players sit or kneel in the middle of the court, facing opposite direction in a straight row. Team B, their players can enter the Kho-Kho ground as a runner. So children, what a team B players will do? 3 players can enter the Kho-Kho ground as a runner. Fifth is volleyball. Origin: it originated in USA in 1895. Implements: solid ball, knee pads, ankle braces, proper footwear, socks. Rules: 6 players on the floor at any one time. Maximum of 3 hits per side. Points are made on every serve. Players may not hit the ball twice in succession. Now the second one is individual activity. With the help of magazines, internet, etc., Collect the pictures of at least 10 folk dances of different states of India. Draw 3 columns on a chart as shown here. Paste pictures of dance in one column. Write name of dance in second column and name of state to which it belongs in third column. Now children, first one, they have given the picture of dance, and name of dance is Bhangra. State to which it belongs, Punjab. And second, you write Ghumar. Now I have left this space. You will paste the pictures here. Ghumar, Ghumar, and state Haryana. Third is Garba. State it belongs Gujarat. Next is Bihu, 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 and the state Assam. Then next is Hikat, Hikat, and the state Jammu and Kashmir. Then Lavani, the state is Maharashtra. Then Kathakali, Kerala. Chow dance, Odisha. Raslila, Uttar Pradesh. Pungcholam dance, Manipur. Role play. Choose any event in any one of the following fairy tales. Goldilocks and Three Bears, Cinderella, Little Red Riding Hood. They have given these 3 fairy tales. What you have to do, you have to choose any event in any of the following fairy tales. Now prepare a small skit on the selected event and perform it in the home only, with your parents, with your brother and sister. You can do it. Alright children. So now instead of class, you can perform the skit at home only. Next is survey report. Visit any nearby zoo and try to know about different kinds of animals, know about their names, foods, habits, etc. Prepare a short report about your visit and show it to your teacher. My dear children, I have prepared this for you. Maybe in exam they can ask you write the name of some animals found in zoo, their food and their habit. So you should also note it down in your notebook. First is bear. Food, grasses, roots, berries, fish, and habits. Spends most of the time feeding on vegetation. Clear? Then second, camel, leaves, grass. It is well adapted to desert environment. Then third is crocodile. It is fish, lizards, and habits. At the zoo, they eat small animals that have already been killed for them. Elephant, roots, fruit, and under habit you write down 80% of an elephant's day is spent on feeding. Fifth, giraffe. Leaves. They can eat hundreds of pounds of leaves per week. Sixth, leopard. Antelope, birds. They are nocturnal animals. Seventh, lion. Flesh of animals. Lion usually hunt at dusk and spend most of the day resting and sleeping. 8. Panda, bamboo. The giant panda spent 14 hours eating per day. Wolf, deer, rodents. Wolves live and hunt in packs. cheetah, hares, gazelles. They are diurnal, hunting in early morning and late afternoon. My dear children, they can ask you, write the name of few animals found in zoo, write their food and their habits. So I have written here 10 animals. So if you want to write any other animal, you can write it down. One more thing, what you can do, you can make a small survey report visiting a zoo in your own words. Okay, so whatever you want to write in that, you can write. So I have written all this. They can give you any animal, write the food and write it is habit. Clear, children? And make a small survey report. Children, so you have to either you can prepare this activity time on a chart or in a notebook. So it is up to you. It's your wish. So first question, the sports, 5 sports I have written, their origin, implements, rules I have given. But one thing you have to do, you have to paste the picture of that sport also. And second question was folk dances. So 10 folk dances we have written, and we have written the states also. You have to paste the pictures. And third was a skit you have to perform at home. So, and fourth was survey report. So my dear children, this is activity time. Go through it thoroughly, note it down and revise it. All right. May God bless you all. Goodbye.